Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create an online store using WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will help you set up a fully functional online store in no time. The first step is to get a domain name and hosting service. A domain is your website's address, and hosting is where your website files are stored. Popular providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Once you've secured your domain and hosting, it's time to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation. Log into your hosting account, find the WordPress installer, and follow the prompts to set it up. With WordPress installed, the next step is to choose a theme for your online store. Go to Appearance and then Themes. You can select from thousands of free and premium themes. For an online store, we recommend using a theme compatible with WooCommerce, like Storefront. To add e-commerce functionality to your site, you'll need to install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. Go to Plugins, click Add New, search for WooCommerce, and then install and activate it. WooCommerce is a powerful tool that will help you manage products, payments, and shipping. After activating WooCommerce, you'll be guided through a setup wizard. This will help you configure your store settings, including your location, currency, and preferred payment methods. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now it's time to add your products. Go to Products and then Add New. Here you can enter your product name, description, and price, and upload images. You can also manage inventory, set shipping options, and add product categories and tags. Customize the appearance of your store to match your brand. Use the WordPress customizer to change colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also add widgets and menus to enhance the user experience. Enhance your store's functionality by installing essential plugins. Some popular options include Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, MailChimp for email marketing, and Jetpack for security and performance. Before launching your store, it's important to test everything. Browse your site, add products to the cart, and go through the checkout process to ensure everything is working smoothly. Once you're confident everything is set up correctly, it's time to launch your store. Announce your launch on social media, start an email campaign, and get ready to welcome your first customers. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling!